if I told you that the secret to becoming a millionaire isn't about being born lucky or landing some magical opportunity? It's about understanding a few key principles and executing them relentlessly. Today, I'll take you step by step through what I would do if I were starting from scratch, with no special talents, no connections, and just a little bit of income. Stick with me, and I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to your first million. Step 1. Master the art of investing, early and consistently. Want to know the secret to effortless wealth? Start early. Sofía Vergara did it, investing in real estate and businesses long before her Hollywood fame, letting her money quietly grow. Here's the kicker. Investing $3,000 a year at 25 with an 8% return could grow to $777,000 by 65. Start 10 years earlier and it's $1.35 million. That's compound interest in action. Automate small investments into a low-cost index fund like the S&P 500 and let time work for you. The earlier you start, the bigger the payoff. Ready to take the first step? Step 2. Use tax-advantaged accounts. Arnold Schwarzenegger didn't just dominate bodybuilding and Hollywood, he also mastered investing. While breaking records in sports, he quietly built wealth through real estate and tax-efficient accounts. His smart financial moves laid the foundation for his massive success. Here's the lesson. Tax-advantaged accounts like 401ks or IRAs are accessible to most of us. If your employer offers a match, take it. It's free money. For example, on a $50,000 salary, a 3% employer match gives you an extra $1,500 a year. And Roth IRAs? Total game changer. Your contributions grow tax-free, giving you a huge edge when you retire. Follow Arnold's lead, make smart financial decisions early, and you can set yourself up for long-term success. Step 3. Avoid high-interest debt at all costs. Let's be real, high-interest debt is a millionaire killer. Take Tiffany Haddish. Before becoming a comedy sensation, she struggled with homelessness and financial hardship. Her turning point? Learning to manage her money, cut expenses, and avoid high-interest debt. The average credit card APR is over 20%. If you're paying $250 a month on $5,000 in credit card debt, it could take years to pay it off. Mostly in interest. But imagine investing that $250 instead, over 20 years at 8% return. You'd have over $148,000. Moral of the story, avoid credit card debt at all costs. If you're in debt, tackle it first, just like Tiffany did. And you can turn your financial life around too. Step 4. Boost your income strategically. Your income is the engine of your wealth. Just look at Simuliu. Before landing the role of Shang-Chi, he was an accountant who lost his job. Instead of giving up, he pivoted, honed his acting skills, and scored a life-changing opportunity. The key: focus on increasing your earning potential, learn high-demand skills, negotiate your salary, or even start a side hustle. Platforms like Clarity.fm let you offer consulting or coaching calls in areas you're skilled in. Charge $100+ per hour and watch your income grow. If you're young, job hopping could be your ticket to a bigger paycheck. Studies show you can earn 10 to 20% more with each strategic move. Your income drives your wealth. Make it work for you. Step 5. Find your value zone. Imagine a Venn diagram with 3 circles: what you love, what you're good at, and what pays well. At the intersection lies your value zone. This is where the magic happens. Take Virgilabloh, the late creative genius behind Off-White and Louis Vuitton's menswear line. He combined his love for fashion, skill in design, and the high-paying demand for luxury streetwear. Draw this diagram for yourself. Maybe you love gaming, you're good at coding, and people pay a lot for software development. That could lead to developing indie games or apps. Your value zone is your fastest path to a lucrative career or side hustle. Step 6. Create multiple streams of income. No, this doesn't mean juggling 7 side hustles at once. Instead, build scalable income streams. Consider JessicaAlba, who started her career as an actress but later co-founded The Honest Company, a clean lifestyle brand that became a massive success. Now valued at over $1 billion, she turned her passion for wellness and ethical products into a scalable business empire. For beginners, consider these: active income, freelancing, tutoring, or consulting in your area of expertise. Passive income, creating digital products like eBooks, courses, or even YouTube content. Investment income, stocks, real estate, or peer-to-peer lending. The goal isn't to overwhelm yourself, but to diversify over time. Step 7. Track and celebrate your progress. Consider Cindy Crawford and her success with meaningful beauty. She didn't just rely on her fame. She closely monitored the performance of her skincare brand, tracking sales, customer feedback, and market trends. This hands-on approach helped her build a highly successful business that continues to thrive globally. This is the same principle you should apply to your finances. Set up a simple net worth tracker using Google Sheets or an app like Personal Capital. Update it monthly to see how your savings and investments are growing. Celebrating small wins, like hitting your first $10,000, keeps you motivated to aim for that $1 million. Step 8. Leverage windfalls wisely. Whether it's a bonus, tax refund, or unexpected inheritance, use windfalls to supercharge your journey. Consider Viola Davis, who reinvested her earnings from her acting career into real estate and production ventures. By wisely allocating her financial resources, she not only expanded her wealth, but also created opportunities to tell stories that matter to her. If you receive a $5,000 bonus, invest 90% and use 10% for fun. Over 20 years, that $4,500 could grow to over $200,000 at an 8% return. Smartly leveraging windfalls can help you take significant strides toward financial independence. Step 9. Harness the compound effect. Albert Einstein called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world, and it works for both money and skills. Take Tom Hanks. He started with small roles in community theater, but years of consistent effort made him one of Hollywood's greatest actors. Apply this to your life. Read, learn, and improve every day. Small actions, like saving money or building new skills, compound into big results over time. Step 10. Focus relentlessly. Distractions are the enemy of success. Just ask Kobebryant. His legendary focus wasn't just about talent. It was a mindset. His Mamba mentality was all about relentless dedication. After tough games, while others rested, Kobe stayed in the gym, shooting hundreds of baskets, constantly improving. This unwavering discipline led him to 5 NBA championships and a spot among the all-time greats. Avoid distractions and the temptation of chasing every quick way to make money. Instead, focus on 1 or 2 opportunities that align with your skills and passions, and go all in. Becoming a millionaire isn't about luck. It's about consistency, discipline, and smart decisions. Start early, invest wisely, and stay focused. The road to your first million begins with the first dollar you save and invest. If this video inspired you, hit that thumbs up. It helps reach more people like you. Share it with someone who needs a little motivation to kickstart their own journey. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical tips and inspiration. Let's grow together. I'll see you in the next video.